Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Today I'm here to tell you about the new JP-APS-JK. Now, this 8-gang switch panel is designed for your 2007 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Now, this kit installs on the A-pillar of your Jeep, giving you easy access to all your wider accessories and keeping that factory look. And we know there are 2 different A-pillar designs based on the year of your Jeep, so we have included an adapter to make that install work for your specific model year Jeep. Now, this kit comes with everything you need for the complete install, including OE-specific bracket mounts for the battery circuit breaker, your IP68 controller to mount to existing engine bay bolts. And with the 8 programmable switches to be either latched or momentary, you can now control your light bar, your cube lights, your rock lights, and so many other accessories from one convenient location. And our detailed instructions will take you step by step from start to finish of your install. So check out this new Jeep product and all our awesome Jeep products online at metraonline.com.